Welcome back everyone. If you would like to access this top frontier model like GLM 5.2 and DeepSeek version 4 Flash for free, so don't miss this opportunity. I will just show you how you can access them, and these are provided by one of the popular agent for free, and we can use them for free. That might be for a limited time. The time is not mentioned, but these are free right now on their agent. So let's get started. Okay, to install that agent and use these top model for free. So let's open first of all Cline, search for Cline and open Cline.bot. I will just show you first of all the website of them. I hope that you know about this one of the popular agent. You can see it has 66k stars on GitHub, and it has CLI, IDE extension, and SDK. So I will show you both methods using CLI and IDE extension. Come here first of all to the CLI, and on the CLI, this command is used to install this client on our computer. Like I have installed lookat npm install -gmin globally client, so it will be installed. So after installing client on your computer, just simply write Cline command, so you will be able to run the CLI tool. Later, I will show you the extension of Cline also inside vscode. Let's first of all go with using Cline CLI tool. So I will open a project. Like this is a project. Let's open in terminal and just write Cline. After writing the Cline command, the Cline will run, and we will access these models for free. So this is the CLI of Cline. Now we have commands like if you write /model, so you can move to the models, and the provider is Anthropic. As you can see, the provider Anthropic, and these are the models of Anthropic. But we would like to move and change the provider. Press tab button. So look at it will move to the provider, then press enter. So now we have the list of popular provider. So we will use Cline usage billing, this one. It just requires authentication. So press this and use existing configuration or configure again. So I will press use existing configuration. I already created my account with the Cline, so you can use the Cline website. So it will directly move to the browser and you can create your account. So as you can see right now, we have GLM 5.2, and these are the model. Look at for the free model. Now these are free. GLM 5.2, DeepSeek version 4 Flash is currently added, Laguna is 2.1 and Step 3.7. These top models are free and we can use them. Let's first of all select the GLM 5.2, and you can just the level like medium or high, and let's simply write hello and chat with this client. GLM 5.2. So as you can see, hello, I am Cline, your AI coding assistant. Like this was the response, as you can see. Now let's change the model and we will chat with that one. Okay, let's simply write /model and we will move to the free and to the DeepSeek version 4. Medium, that's it. What is going on? So you will instantly get your response. That's thinking, and that's your response. Hey, not much on my end, just hanging out like this. Okay, that's the response from Cline. So you can use these models for free, as you saw, and they are provided by Cline for free. If you would like to use it inside VS Code editor, you can move to the marketplace and search here for Cline. So after searching the Cline, you will install the Cline extension on your VS Code editor. If you are using any other editor, so you can search there. So as you can see, this is the Cline extension. I have already installed this. So just install this. After installing this, look at here, we can see the icon, the installed Cline icon. Click on this and you will see the interface of this Cline icon. So this is the user interface of Cline extension. Let's move now to the model. So look at down at the end, you can see to select model. So after selecting that model, here is the API configuration. So in API provider, you should select Cline usage billing. This one, if that required sign in, so you should create your account with Cline. After creating your account, you will see a recommended and free model. Look at, we have those 4 models which we used recently in CLI. Those are for free. GLM 5.2, DeepSeek version 4 Flash, Laguna S2.1, and Step 1 3.7 Flash. That's it. Okay, I have showed you. You can use it inside here. Let's press just done and start chatting with this. So that was all about the 2D free models that I introduced you. I hope the video was helpful for you. So please like the video and also leave a positive comment to motivate me to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.